Yes students, now we will do worksheet 4. Question number 1. Draw a line PQ, take a point R on it and draw a line RS perpendicular to PQ using compass and ruler. So first we will draw a line PQ and we will take a point R on it. Then we have to draw perpendicular. Perpendicular means angle of 90 degree. Okay. See here. First of all, we will draw a line. He said line. Line means we will put the arrow here and take points P and Q on its both ends. And then he said take a point R on it. On it means we can take point R anywhere on the line. I have taken it here, point R. Now at R we will draw an angle of 90 degree which will be the perpendicular. So open the compass, put the needle here and draw an arc like this. Okay. Now from here first arc of 60 degree, then this is a 120 degree, one from here and second from here. We will get this point, and this point is of, if we join this point here, it is angle of 90 degree. We can give its name S. Here RS is perpendicular on PQ. Question number 2. Draw a line L. Take a point A outside the line L. And from A, draw a line M perpendicular to line L. It means here we will draw a line. Then we have to take a point A which should be outside the line. And then from A, we will draw a perpendicular. It means from A, we will draw a line which make an angle of 90 degree with line L. So first of all, we will draw a line L. I have drawn it. This is line L. And we have to take a point A which should be outside the line. We can take point on upper part and we can take this point in lower part also. We can take this point here or here. I have taken it here. You can take this point about 4 or 5 lines of your notebook. Okay, not very close or not very far from this line. Then it will be easy to construct. Now take the compass and put the needle at A and then open the compass like this, and your pencil should be below this line. Pencil should be below this line. Okay. Now draw an arc like this. Put the needle here, open the compass just below the line and then draw an arc like this which intersect lines at 2 points, here and here. Now put the needle here and draw another arc just below previous arc, and then put the needle here. You will not change the radius of the compass here, and draw the another arc which intersect previous arc here like this, and you will get this point. Now join A with this, and this is the line M. So M is making an angle of 90 degree with this line L. So M is perpendicular on line L.